Yo. What's good, familiar? Your boy SNK, and today, real spill, real deal.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Get me, family. Today's video, we're going to talk about how you guys can make your first 100,000 trading Forex. Get me, family. No longer, we're going to talk about how to get yourself 6 figures from the funding and what you need to be able to do and the skills you need to actually attain to make money trading this thing, doing this thing correctly, the right way. I've been in the industry for quite a long time. I know the industry, I know the secrets, I know this and that and that and this. Man has done it, lost it, done it again, lost it again, done it again, done it again, done it again. Yeah, you like, man's been done it. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it the right way, the correct way, so you don't make no mistakes and mistakes I made back in the day. You see me? How you guys doing this? You know what I'm saying? So guys, listen, make sure you like. This is free nuggets, family, man. So pay back a little like, subscribe, comment, share. Feel me? Listen, you keep doing that, I'm gonna give the content out as much as I possibly can. You see me? I've got a lot of nuggets and things to share. So many videos, so many breakdowns, so many trades. Listen, go to our Instagram, TFR Capital. Go to our highlights, family. Listen, about 2 years worth of trades being posted. We're gonna break down every single one of them trades for you guys. That's what you want. Listen, show your boy some love, man. You know what I'm saying? Listen, guys, I'll catch you on the flip. So let's get to the screen. Get me, gang.
My account say I need to slow it down with these Dior garments. Close my eyes and think about where I come from when I'm performing. I'm on top of every dime, I check my balance every morning.
Alright, how many guys? So we're on the charts right now. We're gonna cover all the things you legit need to know to actually make money on Forex, guys, and get yourself to 100 grand. Alright, guys, here's the real deal, real spill, guys. Before you start trying to learn how to trade, guys, I would I would overly advise, family, you learn the basics of trading. So basic tips is what we always recommend to people that are fresh in the game, know nothing about Forex, guys. Listen, Backtest is actually a free course that you guys can actually go through, and they'll actually will teach you guys, you know what I'm saying, how to make money trading Forex, bro. You know what I'm saying? So listen, guys, go to Backtest, get started, get that little free course, you know what I'm saying? That's how you need to start off with, guys. Okay, so start off with that. Baby tips, okay? Baby tips, check it out, okay? Okay, guys, now once you covered through baby tips, family, guys, the next thing you guys really want to learn is a strategy, okay? And there are so many trading strategies out there, guys. I'm talking about there's millions and billions of trading strategies out there, you know what I'm saying? Now, the hardest thing for you guys is actually going to be finding a strategy that truly works. Now, I always tell people, listen, every strategy works. It's about, does the mentor teaching you actually know how to utilize it, and they teach you how to apply it the correct way. Now, if you're asking me my personal strategy in terms of, like, if you wanted to give it a name, it would be institutional/SMC, smart money concept, aligned with structure analysis, right? So I combine my structure analysis, which is really the real key to my trading, which is that I'm very good at reading structure, and I combine that with my institutional smart money knowledge, and that basically creates my strategy. You know what I'm saying, basically? So I learned that strategy, through learning a lot of bunch of different strategies, taking things that I like for different strategies and combining it into one. So I am the creator of my strategy and the way I trade, my methodology. In terms of the foundation of it, I didn't create institutional trading or smart money concepts, but I took from things that I liked, I removed things I didn't like, and created, boom, my perfect strategy, guys, okay? So everyone, for example, that works with me in my mentorship group, they learn my strategy. So I teach them my strategy. They might make some twists and turns for themselves if they feel like it, if they want to, but they don't have to, because I'm teaching them a strategy that I already trade, that already works, and from there move on, guys, okay? But it's very, very important, guys, to have a trading strategy, okay? Figure out your trading strategy and you'll be good to get me. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do real quick for you guys, right? I'm actually gonna just, quickly set up this chart, okay? And get this, like, kind of ready for myself if I was looking for a trade, okay? Just kind of like what I would be doing. It is like 6 o'clock and 6:21 right now as I'm recording this, so there's not going to be a trade opportunity that I would personally generally take in real time. But I'm just going to show you guys kind of what I would do, and then we're going to talk about this, the extra little stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to replay mode it to like today, and we're going to see if there's any positions I could have taken, and then I'm going to, build out that bit. So enjoy the little, fast forward thing.
People have this reoccurring nightmare that there's some force that's got a hold of them and it's holding them down and they can't break free. No matter what they do, they can't break free from that force. Well, I'm here to tell you that thing in your nightmare, that thing that's holding you back, that thing that's dragging you down, that thing is you.
There are two fundamental attitudes toward life and its sorrows. Those with the first attitude blame the world. Those with the second ask what they could do differently. It's much easier and much more gratifying to your basest desires to blame someone else for your misery.
You know what's so funny?
All right, guys. So this is basically how I would set up my chart. If I was about to literally take a trade today. Now, I don't actually trade USD CAD. It's not one of the pairs I personally tried to trade it quite a while ago, about over a year ago, so maybe over a year and a half ago, maybe. But I actually trade it. It's not one of my day-to-day pairs I do trade. But this is basically how I would set up for today if I was looking to trade right now. I have my area of supply and my area of demand based on specific things in terms of my trading strategy. I'm not going to go over today. I do have other videos for that, but it's not one of those videos I'm going to go over today. But my chart is set up, guys. Okay, now one thing that's very, very important once you have a strategy is for you guys to test out your strategy in back testing. Okay, so it's very, very important to back test. I recommend back testing every single day towards a certain goal. Your goal is going to be based on what I'm going to go over next. Okay, so let's just say, for example, I went to every single day test, back test up to the point of 10%. Okay, and I wanted to see if I could get 10% per month in my back testing. I'll rewind this price action months back, and then I would actually then look to draw up my chart. But we're not going to do that today because it won't take up so much time. So it's going to base off price action based on today, and basically trade it off that we have right now. So as of right now, looking at this market, the goal as of right now would definitely be to get to some sort of supply. There is also some sort of supply areas that we are coming into here as well. Like I said, I'm not going to go too tough into every single reasoning for why I'm looking at the market particular ways, but this is obviously within my strategy that I teach my students, so they will understand, and you guys will eventually understand as I start to teach you more things, as long as you guys keep, liking and subscribing and commenting, you see it. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's continue. Let's see what's going on. So right now we're in Asia session. I do not trade these times. Your boy is sleeping or just getting up. But all right, cool. Well, okay, sorry. My trading view does that a little. I don't know why. But what have we got here? So you see here some sort of order flow. Resistance line taken out, followed by a breaker structure. So this actually here, my phone's telling me I do some social media stuff, but I'm already doing it, man. We ahead of the game, you get me? But here's a good trade right here. And our target can definitely attempt here, okay? So this can be our initial first target, right, for our trade, okay? So this is basically me back testing my strategy. So does my strategy work? Is it giving me positions? Let's see what my position for today. So let's see what happens. Okay, cool. So this position specifically right here, for my strategy, the way I trade, this actually would have been a break-even position because this area here was an area of potential demand for myself. So just in case this low wants to go take over this high, I would have liked to have gone break even. We do have other ways of doing this, like such as reducing our risk, stuff like that. But let's just say it's a break even strategy. So for myself right now, what I would do, I'll just click this real quick and I'll put my tally. I'll be like, listen, first trade was break even. If you're gonna go a bit deeper, you can talk about what happened after. So you can be like, okay, cool. This trade was actually a 1 to 3. Okay, so here it's a break even trade. Hit entry and then trade, hit BE, and then went on to CE at 123.8. Okay, boom. So that'll be that. Okay, then I'd also want to know where's my trade max out. Okay, now my next target actually would have been here. This would have been my final target for myself personally. But let's just see where this trade maxes out. So it's gonna go, okay, cool. So trade maxed out. Sorry, like I said, it likes to speed up for whatever reason. The trade maxed out at the risk reward of 1 to, let's call it 1 to 6, just so it's a bit easier. Max 1 to 5, low, and 1 to 6. All right. All right, cool. So that in itself, right there, family, I would do that. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, I would do that, family. For if I just learned a strategy that works, like if you just learned my strategy and learn my strategy in my boot camp, whatever it may be, I would do this for 100 trades, right? And once I have data over 100 trades, for example, I would start to, tweak things and adjust things to see, okay, cool. Let's say I had like 10 trades here, right? Where every time I put a break even, it would hit my break even and then drop, right? And I'll be like, damn, I missed out on 10 trades because of that one adjustment. And I'll check out the other data where it hits my break even, and then actually, I lose and it doesn't have like, and I'll look at that data and be like, okay, cool. Should I keep it this way? Should I tweak it? That, this, okay, guys? So once you learn baby pips, then you learn a strategy, you then want to back test that strategy. You'll do it every single day. Before you even get into the every single day thing, back test 100 trades and see where you're at, you know what I'm saying? See what your current striker is, your understanding. Go to your mentor, whoever your course, show them your 100 trade back test and be like, okay, cool. Listen, these are my trades and my losses. I can't understand what it is, whatever it may be. Figure out that way, how you can do it. You could DM me for more advice on that. But that's what you're gonna do, guys, okay? Now, once you feel like you're ready and you've done all your little trading stuff, start going on your little demo account, take the trades. After you've done your demo account, do your live account, get consistent, get a bit consistent for a couple of months, guys. Once you be consistent for a couple of months, you're on a live account making money, okay? The next step, guys, is funded accounts, guys, okay? Prop firms. If you don't know what a prop firm is, I'll make a video about it very, very soon. But a prop firm basically is a company who's willing to give you guys a bigger capital so you can make bigger gains on the financial markets, okay? Now, they take on the risk, you guys split the reward. So, for example, there are challenges out there like FTMO. Now, I'm listening on a sponsored video, unfortunately, FTMO, if you're watching this, or any other prop firm that want to sponsor your boy, sponsors your boy, you know what I'm saying? But basically, these prop firms, guys, okay, they're essentially willing, this company right here, they're willing to give you 90% split. So you can actually get funded, pretty high capital, anywhere from 10 all the way up to 140,000 with prop firm. Basically, there'll be a little challenge that they'll set you to, so that way you can prove to them that you actually are a profitable trader. And if you are a profitable trader, you complete the challenge. They're actually willing to give you, for example, £50,000 to trade with, and you get to keep 90% of the profit. So if you were to make £4,000 the account, they are willing to give, I believe, 3,600 basically. They'll keep the remaining income basically, which would be about what, £400 basically. So that's how they work basically. So prop firm work. They are the way right now, in my opinion, to help yourself get from a 6-figure capital in terms of trading, right? So you'll be able to trade 6 figures capital. For example, if you were to able to, consistently make 3,600, so we do the math real quick. So we do 100,000 divided by 3,600. Okay, it will take you literally about just over 2 years and 3 months to get yourself to a funded trader. But don't forget, guys, you can do, for example, FTMO, you can do 2 challenges, which would instantly double your income, which was half the time, for example, if you kept doing that. So that 3,600 times by 2 would become 7,200, and then we'll do 100K divided by 7,200, which is 13. So it'll be just over it, well, a year and 2 months. But then you can do another challenge, another company. You can do so many challenges, guys, actually get yourself essentially max funded or get yourself as much capital as you need to help yourself get to 6 figures as fast as possible, guys. But I recommend, guys, taking all the steps that I basically laid out for you guys. That's going to be your best way to becoming a 6-figure trader, and it's the easiest way. But do it the right way, guys. Get yourself a good course, a good mentor, a good strategy. Go through baby tips, back test, learn, study. You'll be Gucci, guys, you know what I mean? But anyway, guys, that's how to get yourself to £100,000 trading Forex as fast as possible. If you guys like this video, want a better video or more detailed video, just want to, ask me some questions, check out all our socials, our Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, you know what I mean? Subscribe, like, comment, share, and let us know in the comment section what you want to know down below. Check out all our other videos, guys. Trust me, they're sick and they're lit. You know what I'm saying? Get me some views. But yeah, guys, listen, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Your boy, S to the N to the K. We're out, guys.